Welcome traders to another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to show you a very easy scalping and day trading strategy that you can use on the 5-minute chart. You only need the 5-minute chart to trade this strategy, and this strategy, after backtesting it for quite some time, has shown me to have a win rate of up to 80%. Now, you can use this strategy for day trading and scalping if you like scalping. But here I'm going to show it to you on the 5-minute chart. So what do we need to trade this strategy successfully? We need to have the Heikin Ashi chart, not the normal candlestick chart. On TradingView, you can go to this place right here, which shows you the type of chart that you are displaying right here. Okay, so you have the bars, you have the candles, which are these normal candles that we always use, guys. Let me show you the candles. Here we have the normal candles and normal candlesticks, which are these, but you can also change this to hollow candles, volume candles, line chart. But what I want you to do is I want you to go down and find Heikin Ashi, because this is the type of chart that we are going to have to make sure that this strategy will work for us. So choose Heikin Ashi chart. Make sure you choose Heikin Ashi chart. Don't use the normal candlestick chart, because if you use the normal candlestick chart, it will not show you the trends clearly the way the Heikin Ashi chart will show you. All right, so as you can see here, we are on the gold chart. Okay, we are on the gold 5-minute chart. You can trade this on a 1-hour chart or even a swing trading base, but I'm showing it to you on a 5-minute chart because this will be ideal for you to day trade and scalp. All right, so what are the rules for this strategy? This strategy uses just a few parameters that you need to see fulfilled before you take any trades. All right, so let me first remove all the drawings so that it's a clear chart. So here we are on the gold chart. What you want to do after you've changed your candlesticks to Heikin Ashi, make sure you choose a sessions indicator. You can use any. I use this one here by Lux Algo. Most of you asked me which indicator I use to display the sessions, but this is the indicator I use, and these are the settings. You can take a screenshot of this. The inputs, I have disabled the sessions for Tokyo and Sydney. I have only allowed New York and London, and I have checked the range, and these other boxes I have unchecked them. The colors I'm using are orange and gray. You can use any color you want. So those are the time zones or time frames that are allowed within the London and New York sessions. What do you do after you've done put this indicator on your chart? Make sure the time zone you are in, look at the bottom right corner right here. Okay, bottom right corner. My time zone is UTC +3. You could be in a different time zone, so make sure you have this time zone set to your particular time zone. For example, I am in the East African time, which is Nairobi. That's why you see I have checked Nairobi. Okay, but you can choose your country where your time zone is so that your chart is within that time zone. So if you've done that, you have your sessions indicator displaying the London and New York sessions. All you have to do now after this is to start trading. I'm going to show you just a very short back test just to show you how this strategy works. Okay, this strategy just works based on the most recent high and the most recent low. Doesn't have to be before London, it can be within the London and New York session. So you just draw 2 lines at the most recent high and most recent low. I've changed the colors of the lines to red and green to denote resistance and support. Now here you want to wait for price to break above or below this green line. If it breaks above the red line, you know that you are going to only be looking for buy trades. If it breaks below the green line, you're looking for sell trades. So here we can see that the market within the London session, why I tell you to trade London and New York session is because they have more volume than any other session. That's why I recommend you trade these 2 sessions. Here we see a break above the red line during the London session, which is this gray box right here. We wait for the market to give us 3 green Heikin Ashi candles after this break here. When the market pulls back down, wait for it to give us 3 consecutive Heikin Ashi candles after 2 or more red Heikin Ashi bars. So here we get 3 1, 2, 3 green Heikin Ashi candles, so we can take a trade after the close of the third Heikin Ashi candle. We'll put our stop loss at the most recent low, which is this one here. Okay, I want to be open to you as possible. You can see this is the most recent low. Now you're targeting a 1 to 3 with this strategy here. This strategy gives us a loss on this trade, okay, but you can continue with your trading for the rest of the day. You wait for, since you're still within the London session, you're only looking for buys. Wait for at least 2 or more red candles, 1, 2, 3, and then followed by 3 green candles, 1, 2, 3. You take another trade here, a buy trade at the close of the third candle, and then this is your most recent low. This one here, that's your most recent low. So your stop loss is going to be at that low, right? So we put our stop loss just there, and then we are targeting at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. We are targeting a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we get a 1 to 3 here. So we move this forward. You can see we win this trade. So this trade brings back the 1% we lost here and gives us 2R. So what you do, you keep moving this line, move this to the next trade, which is, this is the most recent high, and then this will be your most recent low as you're going into London session. So what happens here, which is the current day at the recording of this video, you can see that the market breaks above during London session. So you're looking for buys within or below the red line if it gives you at least 3 consecutive green candles. So what do you do here? You wait. Here you don't get anything apart from this area here. So you get 3 green candles here. You can see 1, 2, 3. You take a buy trade here, but you'll be stopped out because this would be your most recent low right here. This would be your most recent low. So you put your stop loss there, you'll be stopped out. So what do? You keep on moving these lines. After this is stopped out, look for the next high and low. This strategy is very effective, guys. This is the next high, and then this is the next low after that trade. So you can see that this low is broken here. This low is broken here. And then what you do now is you wait for the market to give you 3 red candles after at least 2 green candles are printed. So here you get 1, 2, 3. You enter your sell trade at the third candle, and then this is your most recent high. This one here, okay? This area is your most recent high. So what you do, you take a trade and put your stop loss at that high, just 1 or 2 pips above that high, and then you target a 1 to 3. Target a 1 to 3. That would give you a winning trade. That would recover this loss. So you keep on doing that, keep on moving these lines, the red one on the next high and the green one on the next low, like this. Move this red line. You're taking buys when the red line is broken, and you're taking sells when the green line is broken. That is the strategy in a nutshell, guys. I thought of giving you guys this quick strategy to show you that you can use this to day trade and scalp without having any other indicator on the chart. You're just waiting for a market structure break of the red line to buy or of the green line for it to sell. We can even go back here just to give you a clear view of this strategy. We can go and backtest it even just here. We can backtest it here. This is the most recent low, and then this one would be the most recent high, right? So we are waiting for market to break above or below. So here it breaks below, and then we wait for it to pull back into this area here and give us some sell trades. Now here you can see that it does not give us a sell trade, but it goes ahead and breaks above the red line. Now here it shifts to a buying market without giving us a sell trade. It shifts to a buying market. So here you can see it breaks the red line, pulls back down, gives us 1, 2, 3 green candles. Okay, so these green candles, you take a trade there. This will be the most recent low. This area here will be the most recent low, and then what you do, you put your stop loss right there, and then you target a 1 to 3 just like that. This would be a winning trade. Remember to take just one trade. If you win that trade for the day, don't take any other trade. But if you take a loss of the first trade, you can look for another trade to hopefully win and recover the lost trade. Don't take more than 2 trades a day using this strategy. Guys, go and backtest this strategy, and I'm telling you, it is going to really change your life. It is going to make you profitable. I have myself used this strategy mostly on gold to trade gold, and I've seen it work for me wonders. Okay, so you can even see right here, if you traded this area, the market comes in London session and breaks above. You see the wicks, you consider just a break, even if it's just the wicks. These wicks break above the red line and pull back below, give us 1, 2, 3 green candles, and then we'll take our buy trade right here, a stop loss just below there, because that is the most recent low here. This is the most recent low, so our stop loss is around there, and then we are targeting a 1, 2, 3. You can see that you win this trade. Guys, I backtested this strategy and I used part of this strategy to pass my prop firm challenge. So guys, go and use this strategy. You can combine it with the 1 candlestick strategy to see yourself becoming more profitable. Guys, if you like this content, please give a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also join the channel membership. And if you're looking for good broker with low spreads, use the link down below, sign up with HFM to enjoy the benefits that come with it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.